Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Parrot Security OS 6.1, that is the latest version on VMware Workstation. Go to Parrot's official website, that is parrotsec.org. Hit enter. See here the latest stable version released is 6.1. Click on download or click on download. Both are same. Click on download. Then see here we have the different options. See live, virtual, IoT, Docker, Debian conversion, script, WSL, etc. Okay, so select the live, then select the edition like security, home or HDB. We are going to install security. Click on it, select the architecture, then see here we have the option to download. See, one is manual download, another one by using torrent. It is up to you. So on default credentials, these are the credentials. Click on download, then select ISO image. See, no need to register, it automatically starts download. Click on download. See, download has been started and its size is 4.8 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because sometimes for direct download internet speed is slow. So I have downloaded the ISO file. In your case, you can also select the torrent and select the ISO image. Then we will receive the torrent link to download. Just you need to click on torrent link, then click on I have already downloaded. Okay, both options are same. So I have downloaded the Parrot Security OS 6.1. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. VMware. See here I have the two versions of VMware. One is VMware Workstation Pro and the other one is VMware Workstation 17 player. But the installation process is same on both. This is the pre version to use for non-commercial purpose, but this is the paid one. We need to purchase the key. Okay, so click on either. I have made a video how to install VMware on Windows operating system. You can go through it and you can install it. Once you open VMware Workstation, then see these are the list of the virtual machines created on my VMware Workstation. To create new virtual machine, you have to click on create a new virtual machine. Then next, then here you have to select the downloaded Parrot Security OS version ISO file. Click on browse, then select the Parrot Security 6.1. Click on open, then click on next. Here select Linux and select the type as Ubuntu because we don't have option to select Parrot. So click on next. Provide the name for the virtual machine. This is the virtual machine name. Okay, then select the path where you have to store this virtual machine files and folders. Then click on browse. Select the path where you have the enough space. Click on OK. See, this is the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. Then click on next. Then provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 100 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, by default it has selected memory as 4 gigabytes. If you want to customize the hardware, you have to click on customize the hardware. You can change the properties. Then you have to change the properties. If you are okay with all this one, then just click on close. If you want to enable virtualization, you have to select these options. For this demo purpose, I am not, but if it is required for you, you have to select them. And click on close and click on finish. Still, you can edit the settings by selecting virtual machine from here and click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click on it, then select settings, or select it here and click on VM and settings. All three options are same. Okay, once you are okay with all these settings, then you have to click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is try or install, and hit enter. This is just for try purpose. If you want to install permanently, you have to click on this install Parrot. Just double click on it. Select the language and click on next. Now here we have to select region and zone. See, by default it has selected New York. If you want to select from India, you have to select on the map, or you can search from this also. Okay, then you have to select the zones accordingly. So click on next. See, this is the keyboard model. So I am going with English US and default. Then click on next. Then select this erase disk and click on next. Then here we have to create the new user. So I am giving username as R2 Schools. Then this will be the username, and here we have to provide the name for the computer or host name. I am giving Parrot 61 VM and provide the password. Later also we can change this host name or computer name. Then click on next. If you are okay with all these settings, then you have to click on install. Or if you want to edit any settings, you have to click on back and you have to edit. I am okay with all these settings, so click on install. It is confirmation, so click on install now. See, installation has been started. See, this may take time. I will resume whenever manual inputs are required. See, Parrot OS 6.1 has been installed on your computer. You may now restart into your new system or continue using Parrot Security. So click on, keep the checkbox that is restart now and click on done to restart. Now click on password and provide the password. Now open terminal, click on terminal, verify the version of the Parrot OS. More /etc OS-release. See, we have installed Parrot Security 6.1. Q to quit, Ctrl L to clear screen. Verify the IP of this machine, ifconfig or IP ATDR. See, this is the IP of this machine. Ctrl L to clear screen. If you click on applications, see here we have the different applications like pen testing, programming, system tools, system services, accessories, and universal access. Okay, so we have different tools. The default web browser is Firefox. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Parrot Security OS 6.1 on VMware Workstation. For more Linux or cyber security or ethical hacking video tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.